Is it black drum? Let him run, let him run.
That was a red to be going side to side.
Yeah. He's running. Let him run. Let him get tired. And I'll go in. Reel in the slack. Yeah, there you go. You got it. Don't let him go on here. There you go. Yeah, leave him, leave him.
I'll send that dog in to help him out.
Yeah, I know.
That dog can do it.
He looks healthy too.
He is. That's nice one there.
All right, so I promised Josiah I will give him some action. So here we go. Always some action here in Palacios.
Oh yeah.
Always. Black drum action right here.
Needs to be released. He's getting it. He's getting it. There he goes.
He's wagging his tail.
There you go. There you go. Life.
It just took out real hard. It's fighting pretty good. I mean, it's a black drum or a red. But I can't tell what it is. Can't tell what it is. It's heavy though. It's a big red. It's a big red. Nice big red.
This one fought pretty good. Really nice fight. Maybe I can take a picture with it by myself. Oh, it's not so warm. See that? Nice red. Beautiful red.
Yeah, nah, it's cool. Here in Seawolf, Galveston over there. Oh man, this is a black. This one look like a red. Man, this one's hard. Heavy. Yeah, that red, I got it on a mullet. It was live, but it eventually died, I guess. But they still take it. After they die, what I'll do, I'll cut the tail off so it can bleed a little bit and they can smell it. No, it's probably a black drum. Yeah, I'm throwing them as hard as I can. Yeah, it's a black drum. If it's a red, I think if it's a red, it'll pull. Yeah, they pull pretty hard. The black drums are just heavy. Man, he's moving a little bit. He's going on the pier. Yeah, he's running. Oh, nah, you know what? It's probably a let me see. Yeah, can't tell. Yeah, it's a red. Is it? Oh, it's a black drum. What happened there? He went. No. I think he got tangled up on the weight, on the spider weight. Hey, he pulls pretty good though. For a black drum. Man, these black drums out here are, man, they're nice. They're nice and healthy. Not like Galvestons, man. Galvestons they look like monsters. Like monsters, man. They look ugly. Yeah. Yeah, the grandpa. Oh! It looked like he was ripping his lip already. Lost him.